Let's create our first exercise in NX Siemens Design Center. In this tutorial, you'll learn to use the extrude and hold. So open the NX and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and create this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create these three lines here. This line has 8 millimeters of length and this one has 25. So open the NX, go to sketch and select the right plane, press OK. And select line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here, and another line here, and another one here. Close this and select this line here to put a dimension here. The distance here is 8 millimeters, press OK. And the distance here, select this line, the distance here is 25 millimeters. I will move this dimension to this side. Okay. And now we will create these four lines here. We know that this line has 100 millimeters of length and this one has 25. So select line again, click here in this point, make a line here, another line here, and another one here. And select this line, the distance here, 25 millimeters, and the distance here is 100 millimeters. So now finish the sketch. We need to extrude this profile and we will extrude this 50 millimeters. Okay. So go to extrude, select this profile. The start, we use the symmetric value. So the plane will be in the center of this part. And the distance here is 50 millimeters. So we have 25 to the right side and 25 to the left side. And press OK. We made this part. You can hide the sketch one here. Click here. OK. And now we will create this hole. We have two options to create this hole. You can create this using the extrude or create this using the hole. In this exercise, I'll use the hole to create this. So the diameter 20 millimeters. The distance between this hole and this edge here 55 millimeters, and it is in the center of this part. So the distance between this point and this edge here is 25 millimeters. So go to hole and here select the back face here. And now you can click here to sketch section and we will edit the distance here. The distance here 25 and the distance here, it is take the top face here for reference. So the distance here will be 8 millimeters minus 55 will be 8 millimeters, the distance between this face and this one, minus 55. So we will get this distance here. Okay. So press OK here. It is 25 millimeters. And now select the finish. And here the hole diameter is 20 millimeters. And the hole type here, select simple. And the hole direction, normal to face. And the limit here, select it through this body. The operation here is subtract and press OK. And that's it. So here we finish your first exercise and Siemens NX and see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching and bye bye.